Hello everyone and welcome back to Sequoia Arts. In today's video I will show you how to do a minimal texture art on an A3 size paper.
For this project you'll require palette knife and spatula, scraping tools and texture tools. These texture tools are basically used to texture a cake. So buy the ones which are of hard plastic and not soft silica because you need it to be sturdy. I also used gesso and acrylic wall putty. So basically I took a little wall putty and mixed a spoon or two of gesso in it and made a nice smooth paste as you can see in the video. Make sure that there are no hard lumps in it and it becomes very soft in texture. Then with the help of a palette knife I scooped out the paste and with a spatula I spread it all over my canvas. While doing this I realized that my canvas was moving, so I taped it with the paper tape so that there's no movement and I get an even texture and my paste is evenly all over the canvas. Once my background was ready, I took a texture tool and I made the desired texture I wanted. Make sure that you have a steady hand and do it as patiently as possible. You are going to make mistakes, but you can even out the background and do it all over again. Then I used a thin needle-like tool to remove the excess paste between the lines. After letting it dry for 24 hours, I noticed slight cracks on the background. So with the help of a brush, I filled in the cracks and gave it a smooth finish. Then I painted the background with a mixture of white acrylic paint and gesso. After that, I painted my textures with acrylic colors. I used a forest green mixed with black and a light beige color for both the textures. So in the video I painted both the textures in two ways. The first one, that is the green one, I directly painted it without taping the sides. But the second one, just to show you, I taped the corners of the texture so that you can see that it is easier to do that also. And there it is, my texture art is finally ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like us and follow us for more. Thank you so much for watching.